Greetings, gamers, and welcome to a thrilling journey into the world of artificial intelligence in gaming. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the history and impact of AI in the gaming industry. In the early days of simple NPCs to today's advanced AI-driven game environments and opponents, we'll unveil the secrets behind the pixels. Let's hit start and begin our quest into AI in gaming. The story begins with simple non-playable characters. These early game characters had basic scripts and behaviors. We'll explore the humble beginnings of AI in gaming and how it shaped our gaming experiences. As technology advanced, so did NPC AI. Games introduced pathfinding, decision trees, and scripted dialogues. We'll discuss the pivotal role of NPCs in immersing players in the game world. Fast forward to today, where AI-driven game environments offer dynamic and evolving landscapes. We'll explore how AI algorithms create complex worlds, adapting to player choices and actions. The thrill of gaming often comes from challenging opponents. AI-powered adversaries in games have evolved to be cunning, unpredictable, and incredibly intelligent. We'll delve into the techniques behind these virtual foes. The impact of AI in gaming goes beyond mere programming. It enhances player experiences, creating lifelike interactions, dynamic storytelling, and memorable challenges. We'll discuss how AI has transformed the way we play. In conclusion, AI has transformed the gaming landscape. From the earliest NPCs to today's advanced AI-driven opponents and environments, technology has revolutionized how we game. The future promises even more exciting advancements. What's your favorite AI-driven game or gaming experience? Share it with us in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video game adventure, remember to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our next exciting exploration of the world of artificial intelligence. Game on! Thank you for watching this video on Unleashing the Power of AI, a journey through the gaming frontier. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Until next time, happy gaming.